How's everybody doing today? Today we're going to do a review on the Astro Pneumatic ratcheting crimper set, part number 9477. So you get this nice blow molded case here. It's got, of course, the name and the part number on it. We'll see what's inside here. You get your, obviously, your paperwork. You get the crimpers here. They do fit in this dang case super tight. You get the crimpers. To open them up, you just squeeze them, as you can see. Then it's got the little jaws there, and you just you pull them together, and you can actually hear them crimp. And they come with all these different jaws here that are interchangeable. You have your insulated terminal, non-insulated, open barrel, cord end terminals, and the insulated cord end terminals. All these come, they come in and out. They're in a little pair, and obviously we use the pair together. And to put them in the tool, you just take these teeth, hard to do one-handed, and you just pull them straight out, like so. Then you can grab another set, and to put those in, you simply just lock them in. Once they're in, you can put your wire in or with your terminal on it, and you just push them and it ratchets and crimps it. I believe these are on Amazon. I think I paid 65 bucks maybe, shipped. Good tool to have, super easy to use. That's really all there is to it. Thanks for watching. As always, like, share, subscribe. We'll see you next time.